Hello and welcome to Your Finger, My Ring. I turn coins into rings, and today I'm going to be turning this halfpenny, or halfpenny as it was called, 1967. It's made of bronze. I want to turn this into a nice ring, hopefully. So first of all, we're going to punch a hole in it. How's everybody doing today? There you go. Nicely centered coin. I'm using a 1/2 inch punch. So let's go over to Big Bertha. Let's see what she's got in store for us today. This is a 20-ton hydraulic press. Like I said before, I could use a hammer, but I've got neighbours. I live in an apartment and it's very quiet here, so you know, show a bit of respect. Doesn't hurt. Okay, what we got? One punch coin. Now we want to clean up the inner edge where I punch through. You're doing any scratches or splits or cracks. This just cleans up the edges, and hopefully you don't have a ring that splits. There you go. Nice and shiny, nice and clean. So now we want to give it a bit of fire. This just anneals the coin, makes it easier to work. Just looking for that flame to change to an orangey colour. A lot of people think these are made of copper, but it's made of bronze. Copper would be no good for coinage, it's too soft. Like the American quarters, they're copper, but they're clad in nickel. Okay, that's annealed. So let's go to Big Red and fold it. I'll probably have to use 2 of these. Bit of coconut oil. And I go for halfpenny and the date on the outside of the ring, so that goes face down. it's really soft. I'll change the dies. This one's a bit smaller. I just started using this coconut oil recently. It does a good job. Okay. That is fully folded. So let's go back to the table. A bit of sandpaper. Just cleans up the edge again where you punch through. One of my girlfriend's nail files, emery boards. I mean, this is very, very fine. It just sort of polishes it. There you go. Right, now we go over to spike. Bit too much of the old zoom now. Okay. Kitchen towel. This just prevents the inside of the coin getting losing its detail. If you're watching this and you like what you see, I'd love you to subscribe. I try to go in live on YouTube, but you need 50 subscribers before they let you do it. That's looking quite good. What size we got? I've got a size 9.5. That's good. Because I sell these on the market, I need lots of different sizes, so this will be about a size 9 by the time I finish with it. You just want to get that bow out of it now. And for that, use the bottom part of the spike. Yeah, I'll try this one. Let's start with this one. Bit of lube. You can't beat a bit of lube. Looking quite good. doing? A little bit. If you'd like me to make you a ring, I'll happily do it. I mean, I will be making them live on YouTube, but at the moment, if you'd like me to make you a ring, let me know, and I'll make it. I'll film the process from beginning to end, like I'm doing here. I'll post it on YouTube. I made a ring for somebody yesterday from Helsinki. Hopefully she's happy with it. That's looking good. Okay. Now the reeded side of the coin, when you fold it, you get this ridge. Now you want to cut that away as it's not comfortable. I was on Marketplace yesterday, and I found a guy in Finland. He was selling some 5 marker coins, so I ordered some of them. They look quite good. So for you Finns out there, I'll be making some 5 marker coin rings soon. Touch more. That's good. That shiny bit, that's the lip cut out. They're quite nice, these halfpenny rings. Let's give it a clean up. I'm going for more of a satiny look now instead of highly polished. If you like these highly polished, I'll happily do it for you. 1967. You can see all the detail on the inside of the ring. That's why I used paper towel. Elizabeth. So there you go. What size did we get in the end? 8.5. So this will be going on the market tomorrow. We can go back to work tomorrow now the tall ship race is over. We had to have 6 days off. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Have a great day. Have a great week. Toodaloo.